Welcome to our YouTube channel Manomics Med. Today we will learn about pediatric milestones part 2. So today we will learn about the gross motor milestones of the pediatric age group. We will learn it by making one cartoon. So we will make one cartoon. I am making one cartoon. I am using black pen. So making a head of the cartoon, making neck of the cartoon like this one. Now we are making abdomen of the cartoon. Now we are making hands of the cartoon like this one. So you can easily make this cartoon like this one. Now we are making legs of the cartoon like this one. So I will definitely tell you technique to remember this gross motor milestone. So at the first we are learning from the 3 months. At the child can hold neck hold at the edge of the 3 months. So you have to remember neck holding at the edge of the 3 months. You can easily remember via making this cartoon. Now we will learn about another milestone at the 4 to 6 months. Child can at the rolling at the edge of the 4 to 6 months. So you can easily remember via this cartoon. Now we will learn about another milestone at the edge of the 6 months. So at the edge of the 6th month, child can sit without the support. So you have to remember via making this cartoon. So it is also sit without support. It is also called as tripod position. So it can be asked at the MCQ at the tripod position also. Now we will learn about another milestone. Now we will learn at the child can learn at the age of the 10 months. Child can learn a creeping at the edge of the it is also called like bear like walking at the age of the 10 months. So it is also called as walking with standing with support at the age of the 10 months. So you have to remember at the age of the 10 months standing with the support at the age of, or also called as creeping or the BL like walking or the stand with support. At the 12 months standing without support, walking with support at the age of the 12 months. Now we will learn about at the age of the 15 months. Walking without support child can do at the age of the 15 months. Now we will learn about the 18 months. Child can run easily at the age of the 18 months. So you can easily remember via this. Now we will learn about the at the age of the 2 years. Child can learn 2 foot per steps both up and down at the age of the 2 years. Now we will learn about at the 3 years. Child can learn 1 foot per steps, but it is only upstairs or the tricycle position at the age of the 3 years. Now we will learn about 4 years 1 foot per steps, but it is only downstairs also. So you have to remember via this. Now we will learn about the language milestones of the pediatric age group. So child can at the 2 months CO only. Child can laugh at the 4 months ha ha. And child can 6 months, child can babble. At the 9 months, child can easily say mama, dada at the age of the 9 months. So at the age of the 12 months, child can say 1 plus words at the age of the 12 months. So you have to remember, I will make easy by making one technique. At the age of, there are 2 months, there are 2 words CO. So you have to remember 2 words. 4 months haha, 6 months 6 words only, 9 months 9 words. So you can easily remember via this at the 12 months 1 plus words. So you can easily remember via this. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube.